Hello everyone, I'm Nadim and welcome to the third video of making a math game in Unity. Okay, so today we are going to be adding three buttons displaying the answers and detecting whether we chose the right answer or the wrong answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the buttons first. So UI and then button. Let's call it answer 1. Three and this 2. Okay, so it's just what first here, second in the middle, and the third on the right. Okay, perfect. So let's see how they look on the screen. Okay, great. So let's add the operators on the screen too. So just go ahead and create an empty game object. Call it operators, and then add text component. Call it X. Font to 20 font size, and X over here. Just go ahead and scale it. Wait a bit. Okay, so let's set this to let's try 25 and white. Let's see how it looks like. It's a bit blurry. I could have just made this. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, much better. So just go ahead and duplicate this. Call this division, and here we plus and then minus. Okay, so this is here, and then plus here, and then minus at the top. So just go ahead and change the text, plus and minus. Okay, so this is how the game played. You get each number. First you start from the bottom. You get the first number at the bottom, then take the operator on the right, and then use it for the second, and so on. So 5 times the second number divided by the third plus the fourth, and then minus the last one. So 0 times 4 divided by 5, or 5 times 0 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 5. Okay, so let's go ahead first and add the buttons to the manager. So buttons, public button array. What's this? Okay, button array. We'll call it buttons. And we need answer. So public float answer. Okay, great. So we'll do it like this. Whenever the time reaches 0 and no numbers are selected, we will calculate the result and store it in this float over here. So we'll just go ahead and say here answer equals numbers, first value of numbers times the second value of numbers, so it's 1. Then the result is divided by the third value of numbers, so it's 2. Then all this, the result of all those, plus the fourth number of numbers, and then minus the fifth number of numbers. Okay, great. So this contains the final result of the equation that is created. We just need to add one thing, because division on 0 does not work. It's not defined in math. So we will need to add an exception here, over here. If numbers, I'll just have to check which number is, oh, it's the third number. Okay, so if numbers, the third value of numbers equals 0, we'll just go ahead and choose another random number that is greater than 0, so 1 to 10 and then semicolon. Okay, cool. So now we got the result, and we have stopped the division on 0. So right now we'll just have to, we will assign the results and display them on the buttons. So where should we add this? We can just add it over here, so, or in the update function. I don't know, so let's just create a new method for it. So void display results. We use for loop int I equals 0, and then I less than buttons dot length I plus plus. I just, okay, so wow, a lot of errors. Okay, great. So we'll say buttons I dot text, oh no, dot game object dot text dot get component, and then get the text component, and then dot text equals answer. So in this video we are just going to display the answer on all the buttons, or just on 2, I guess. And later on I will show you how to shuffle the answer and another random answers. So you will see 3 different answers on the buttons, and you will have to calculate fast and choose the right one. But for now we'll just keep it simple, so I'm just going to display the answer on all the buttons. Okay, great. So let's see how it goes. I have to lock this first, then add the buttons over here. Great. Let's check this again, make sure there's nothing wrong. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna try it. Should when it equals 0, it should change the text. Something wrong. Oh, I didn't call the, I haven't called the method. Okay, just call it over here. So display results. If time equals 0, display results. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Something is wrong. Object reference not set to an instance of object. Just gonna play this. What happened? What happened? Oh, I'm just gonna minimize this and see what's wrong. Okay, so it should reach 0 and then object reference not set to an instance of object. Less than buttons. I see what's wrong. Okay. It's not in the button game object, it's in the child, so it's not dot game object dot get component, it's dot transform dot get child and then the first child, so 0. It should work now. Okay, let's try this. I'm just gonna, okay, so I got a few things wrong in the code. I'll just show it to you. I just changed them. First, you set in the void start, you set time equals 0.1, and then you go, if time less or equals 0, you set time equals run length. Just delete this, and then here you say if the third value of numbers equals 0, then you set the third value to a random number above 0, and also you change the text. So this was causing a lot of problems when I was testing the game, because the result was changing, and what appears on the screen was the old number. So I think this is all it. Okay, okay, here, this is it. So after you change what I just show you, it should work. Okay, let's try it. So 8 times 4, 32 divided by 4, 8 plus 4, 12 minus 6, 6. So as you can see, we got the correct answer over here. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. Sorry for the troubles I had in this video. I will try better next time. And subscribe for the series. See you later.